In the undergraduate space, we have this capstone unit that is a real project from real industry. We get our industry partners to give us mainly a formulation project at the start of the year.
So the real projects from industry subject works hand in hand with a different subject, which teaches you design of experiments. So we were taught how to do this method and how to apply it, and then we were told to actually do it in real life.
You're drawing on everything that you've learnt, so every single unit that you've done, you're using.
There is nothing better than this authentic project where they have to fix these problems themselves.
We of course have lecturers there to guide us, or we could talk to the company, but it is something that is entirely self-directed. We chose a project which was to reformulate a micellar water for sukin. And the company said, we want it to be more efficient at removing waterproof makeup, and they gave us the ingredients. And then from that, we were able to create a product that met their specifications.
So my group, we were working with Yates, which is a garden care company owned by Dulux, and they tasked us with developing a new herbicide. You know, we set up a sort of experiment schedule, we would sort of test all these different combinations. And then when we got back to Yates, they were so impressed with what we had done and took our formulation and they're going to test it further and build on that. We learned how to do a lot of scientific communication. We had to do a lot of reports and presentation. It's one thing to talk at a university undergraduate level, but to talk to someone at Yates who's a chemical engineer, you have to sort of match their language and show that you can be professional as well.
So this unit really mimics what it would be like having an actual job, and that's a really great experience to have, to know that I am capable of working with no supervision from lecturers and be able to create a final product.
It was just really fun. I really enjoyed it because it was just so independent. You sort of plan it, do whatever you want. Just by the end of the 12 weeks, you got to have something to show.